touch it. You mind telling me what the hell is going on? You'll find out soon enough. Answer it. Be nice.
Hello, Lionel. Thanks for dropping by.
Sure. Listen, I came as quickly as I could. Is something wrong?
No, not at all. I just wanted to ask you a favor.
Well, anything, Eden. Listen, I'm sorry about the situation with your mother. I feel at least partly to blame. I want you to know, though, that neither one of us intended to harm your children in any way. It just was one of those things, I guess.
I didn't really call you over here to chat about old times.
No? Then what?
I wanted to borrow your yacht for an afternoon.
What? Again?
Well, I'm throwing a little party. Only your ship will do.
Why is it better than yours?
Atmosphere.
Eden, you think that's a good idea?
Well, it's only a party. What could go wrong?
I guess you'd know that better than I.
I promise you will take good care of it. So, may I borrow it for an afternoon?
Of course.
Thank you. I'll call you in the morning to work out the details.
Okay. Is there anything else I can do for you, Eden?
No, you've done more than enough.
Eden, wanting my boat doesn't have anything to do with what happened between your mother and me on that same boat, does it?
You're very generous to let me use it, Lionel.
If there's anything I can do.
Well, I won't hesitate to call. Thanks again.